Abha, I'll start with you.
You know what the party spokesperson is saying, there is truth in that, because Swati Maliwal did go to DCP North office on 13th but did not give an FIR. Number one. Number two, without appointment, she wanted to push herself inside the house. That is second. Third, the cops were very decent to her, and she was they were telling her, you please wait, and she says, "Main aapki naukri le lungi." So this clearly shows that she had gone with a hidden agenda. What that agenda was, it is necessary that the police does investigate. And now for Delhi police, it is not an easy job. They have to work neutral. They cannot be under pressure of the present government or any government. Because if she was badly injured, then on the 13th itself, the police officer she met will have to say, was there any blood? Why she did not do a medical on 13th? Why she went for a medical on the 15th? Were there any bruises on her? So definitely now this is not so simple as it appears. They have put charges like 308 of the IPC, that is attempt to culpable homicide. I mean, such brazen charges have been put in the charge sheet. So definitely it is not, everything is clear. Swati Maliwal did go with an hidden agenda. That is what I think.
Abha, you wanted to add to this whole business about, the emphasis on reaching the chief minister's house without an appointment.
I feel Sanjay Singh in the beginning, of course, did not talk of sexual harassment. He said abhadrata. That would be trying to give a message to her that, look, we are all one party. You are our MP in Rajya Sabha. So if we can patch up, trying to work it out that way. But now when she has taken opposite side, and so they have come out with the video. That could be one reason. Secondly, under the IPC, there is one section called 159, which is affray. If you remember, Preity Zinta had put a sexual harassment case on Ness, Wadia in the cricket stadium, and at that time I had said that it is a brawl and affray which you are giving a color of sexual assault. So we cannot say that it is our instinct to believe a woman. You have to go on facts. This is same Delhi police which did not write an FIR in Brij Bhushan. Brij Bhushan they did not write an FIR. So I will not go by what they have written. Evidence and facts have to be put forward.
Abha, I want you to come in as someone.
But if she put fake charges, then action needs to be taken, a false FIR complaint.
But who's going to decide this? It can't be decided right now.
Is there. The courts are there. You can see the courts finally are waking up and coming with strong judgments. Even on ED today, Supreme Court has given a very strong judgment. And if she says her dress was torn or the button broke, then the CCTV camera of Civil Lines Police Station would have caught that picture. And that disheveled look will be investigated. And when it comes to the court, the magistrate is going to ask questions.
Okay, these are classic things that never get resolved. Remember the Tarun Tejpal case? This was debated endlessly. What happened inside the lift? The girl walked out, the survivor walked out. She didn't look disheveled. She didn't look upset. Right? So, I don't know. I'm not very comfortable with looking for whether women look traumatized. I think there has to be a different way, Abha, with respect. Don't you agree? Before I give Abhijit the last word.
I think she went to the police station. I am with her if offense has happened. But going out 13 to the police station and not lodging an FIR, but going out, I'm being the devil's advocate. But this at the time of trial will stand against her, that you went. But you went back because you wanted to negotiate something with the party and your negotiation did not happen. So on 16th you came. I'm just being the devil's advocate.